We're going to learn the maneuver, changing lane. So everything that's the procedure, okay? Changing lane is the same thing. Every time you change in lane, you remember the good SMOG, okay? Let's say we have a 3 lane. Lane 1, lane 2, and lane 3. Okay, your car in the middle, okay? Now, we're gonna, let's say we're gonna go to lane number 1, okay? Make a signal. Let the people surrounding you to know. About 5 to 7 seconds. Ask them for signal. And then you look the mirror, look the side mirror, okay? Oh, that you have to look over your shoulder. If you go to left lane, you look over your shoulder to the left. And G, you go. And you go only in a wide, broken line, okay? Don't change lane at the intersection. Don't change lane on the solid line. You change only the wide, broken. You move to the right lane before you turn. Same thing, you go to right lane, you have to make a signal. Let the people know. Look the back mirror for the guy behind you. And also look over your shoulder. And while you're looking back over your shoulder, make sure both your hands on the steering wheel steady when your eye looking back. Make sure your eye up front, then you go. And you need to go do one action at a time and clearly. Okay, now I'm gonna go out and see that we're gonna do a practice so you can see it, okay? All right, now we're gonna go on the chip and changing that. Okay, now, let's say I'm gonna pull now. Okay, I'm gonna make a left turn, so I signal. Ask them for signal. I look the side mirror. Mirror, look on your left shoulder. Look up, and then I go to left lane slightly. Keep the same speed. Now, I'm gonna go to right lane. I signal. I look the mirror. I look on your right shoulder. I look up, and then I go to the right lane. Okay, so that's good enough. So for today, we'll see you the next lesson. And thank you.